Denle tranqui, peor que se vamos a vomitar. Sí, aparte acabamos de comer.
¿Te espero o te espero arriba?
No, ya sigue, sigue, si no te voy a dar el paso. ¿No te puedo seguir el paso?
¿Verdad que sí?
Es una chica que
Falta una agüita.
Ah, thank you.
No, lo suben después.
And the colorful town Guatapé or Paradise. Okay, just there on the final we can find the Malecón. What is the Malecón in Guatapé? Malecón is like a pier. It's for walk around the lake, take a picture for the boats, jacks and jet skis, because the boat tour will be not here. Our boat tour is late on the replica Old Peña Town after lunch. Okay, if you wanna go there, you can do it now or later. Just here we can find the Zócalo Square. Yes, if you remember the Zócalo on the wall, this is the original Zócalo Square. We can find Among Us fish. It's a representation about sport fishing and traditional fishing on the town. Just here on the stairs, you can find the most important Zócalos around the history, because it's a Zócalo about the ship, about hut, about butterflies, about animals, about boats, because it represents the boats on the dam. And behind to the fish is the founded wishes. If you want to make a wish, you can do it there, totally free. It's totally free, guys, but with $1 is better if you want to do it. Guatapé is a short place. Behind to the building is the church and the principal bar. You can walk in 5 minutes. It's time for enjoy it. It's time for drink coffee. It's time for identifying a lot of Zócalos, because it's a different history on the town. And if you want to take some coffee, and delicious coffee here on the second floor on the coffee bar La Viña, you can take one. Fíjate, bueno, delicioso café. La viña, delicioso. Lo recomiendo.
Yeah, one more question. Why the umbrellas like this? The colorful umbrellas.
Yeah, the color for the umbrellas was made in December in 2018 by one purpose: decoration, not for shade, not for rain, that's not for Sunday. It's curious, but just was made for decoration for Merry Christmas. Today, it's the most important place for the world because visit Guatapé with one purpose: Umbrellas Street and the colorful town Guatapé or Paradise. Okay?
Gracias.
Enjoy.
Vengan a Colombia, familia. Yes, that's.
Ja, heel veel. Ja. Overal en dan zeker met Waar ben jij? Ja.
Ja, heb ik, maar dan kan hij niet op mijn nek.
Ah ja.
Is this for swimming?
Ah,
Swimming?
no.
No?
I did before spend a lot of time swimming here, but no, I stopped. But you can join.
Oh, you can swim?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not sure. If it's when it was really hot, you'd be like, oh nice, but now it's not that hot, so I don't really know.
Next year we're going to the river. Next year we're going to the river.
Boeken eruit hoor. Nou, dit is dus de waterval. Ja.
Maar het is toch wat je snel, daar zijn er nu over gepraat. Maar zo over.
Ja, en boven dat is het grote hoogte. Maybe you know?
Ook wel hoog, maar niet zo hoog.
Hoorden jullie toch net over... How do you make coffee from this?
No.
You don't know?
No, I don't know.
You're from Colombia.
Yeah, but I want to be famous.
Huh?
I want to be famous.
Hi.
Nou, er waren bij de voetbal maar bij waren.
I can talk to you about
You can talk to me?
about the coffee.
Okay. No. So I'm making a little video about the volcano climb. I'm a little bit tired, a little bit slow because of the fever. Let's see how our guide's doing.
I'm doing great.
Oh yeah, thanks.
Yeah.
So this is the rest of the group. Only with 4 of us.
Imagine how much louder it would have been if we had 30 people here.
And we are enjoying a nice view from the mountain top. So the next one will be base camp 2 on the top. Want to say something?
Nothing to say. It's really nice here.
You want to say something?
The running joke is every time I ask him, he's like 4 hours. So that way I'll just stumble on there. I'll be like, oh, we're here.
Yeah.
4 hours ago.
Oh ja, ik zie het.